Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a Jolteon inspired eye makeup look. This is one of my favorite evolution eye makeup because of the thunder and the lightning. If you want to know how to make it, then keep on watching. First off, I'm gonna set my whole eyelid by an eyeshadow base from Morphe 35B palette. Then I'm gonna go to this like bluish violet shade in the Morphe 35B palette as my transition shade and apply it onto the whole eyelid, the whole eye crease by using a fluffy brush. This one is a very perfect shade for transition because it's very sheer and it has the vibe that I want for this kind of stormy eye look. I will also dragging it down my whole under eye because yeah, the stormy weather, the stormy sky is gonna like be everywhere surrounding my eye. If you went a little bit over or too much, don't worry because you can always use the eyeshadow base to fix it up, like an eraser. Then I'm gonna use this purple shade, kind of a vibrant purple in Morphe 35B palette, and using the same brush to apply it onto the crease to deepen the whole eyeshadow up. Make sure to blend it out nicely into the transition shade. And I'm dragging it to my waterline as well, as moving to my waterline because it's kind of small, so I'm gonna change to a smaller brush, which is just pencil brush from the Eyes Lay collection of Morphe brushes. Then I'm gonna move on to the deepest purple. It's kind of a bluish violet in the Morphe 35B palette, and using that pencil brush to patch on my whole eyelid and blend it out to the previous purple. This is gonna make your eye look much deeper and it will look more dramatic as it's a storm. For now, like I look like I've just been hit by some guy, like bruise on my eye. But don't worry, everything will be much better later on the video. using the eyeshadow base from Morphe 35B palette to clean up the edges. Next, I'm gonna use a shade called Makita in the Masquerade Juvia's Place palette. And I'm gonna use a lip liner brush to sketch out some lightning strokes. This is just like the outer part, like the lining effect of the lightning stroke. So for now, you don't have to be really precise in terms of the line work. Now it's time for the precise work. I'm gonna use the white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics and start sketching out the lining strokes in the middle of the Makita eyeshadow that I have just set up. And this is a tip for drawing neon light as well as electric light or lightning. Like, you always want to start with a very light shade of eyeshadow base at first. That is why I use Makita, and then you're gonna go with a white liquid liner for strokes to make it really light up, to really lighten it up and make that kind of neon effect. Then I'm gonna use the Halo Vivid from the Vivid Bright Liquid Liner from NYX Cosmetics to sketch out the spikes pattern of Jolteon. This is kind of a hard part, I think. I think this is quite harder than the lightning because you really need that precision. The tip is that you're gonna start from the tip, from the tip of the fur, and then moving downward. Because since you start from the tip of it, you can get it as sharp and as pointy as possible. And layer the spikes randomly, like don't make it in any order, just make it like asymmetrically, if you know what I mean. Like some shorter and some longer, some thinner and some is not as thin as the other. By that it will look very natural and it looks like the spike of Jolteon. I'm gonna place these pattern like on my upper lash and my underlashes as well. Then I decide to use the white liquid liner from NYX to sketch out a wing eyeliner, because I remember that like Jolteon, he has kind of a white fur on his neck area, so I want to imitate it. That's why I add like a hint of white on top of the yellow. Basically, this eye look is about layering. You're gonna start from the purple base, then the lightning, then the yellow fur, and lastly is the white wing eyeliner on top of all. And yeah, that is how it goes. And that's it. This is the finished outlook. And yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for further video. And see ya!